Hi everyone, I wanted to make a quick update video on aircraft 837 to cover a couple of things. Many of you asked where the aircraft is today. It is on static display at Edwards Air Force Base. I will leave a Google Maps link in the description. Also, I was blown away by the comments and positive feedback on this video. Some of you who commented even worked on this airplane, which is amazing. Here's one comment from a maintainer that worked on 0290 just before it was turned over to NASA. Quote, "One thing that you missed was the rather serious IFE that occurred when the aircraft bounced on landing and then changed the nozzles when the weight off the wheel switch was incorrectly interpreted at near ground level, resulting in the nose gear being slammed into the ground so hard it bent significantly. And this wasn't standard F15 landing gear, this was off-road rated stuff. They had to land on the lake bed. I remember the pilot telling the tower that he'd have full nose authority all the way down to 50 knots. When the nose gear finally hit the lake bed, it did a rather abrupt right turn before coming to a stop. It was a brilliant landing that saved the plane for another day." End quote. Again, this happened right before the airplane was handed over to NASA, so hats off to that pilot for some brilliant flying and keeping it airworthy. Another thing I'd like to point out is that much of the research done with 837 was used in the development of the F-22. Additionally, based on the comments and feedback about 837, I've also begun a series on the NASA test planes. If you haven't already, check out the dedicated video on 837 and the new video about the X31, links in the description below. The X31 pulled off some incredible maneuvers and was made up of parts from many different aircraft. Future videos will continue to focus on the X-planes, from the X1 that broke the sound barrier all the way to the unmanned X61 Gremlin. And as for the next video in the X-plane series, well, let's just say that it's a very unusual looking airplane that tends to draw a lot of reactions from aviation enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell for notifications. If you'd like to support this channel, consider Patreon or the merchandise listed below. And if you'd like to join a growing community of aviation enthusiasts from all over the world, join our Discord. There's a link in the description below. Stay safe and see you next time.